Hi, Sashia. I apologize for not getting back to you yesterday. I just haven't been feeling well for the last few days, and I just couldn't do this yesterday. So I've got one of your questions here just to get us started off, and I'll send you videos on the other ones throughout the day. Just starting with number 3, because it's a nice, quick, easy one that I can do in the morning before I leave. Confidence interval for a population mean has a length of 22 to determine the margin of error. So your margin of error is just that your mean will be in between two values. And in this case, if the margin of error is 22, then that means that we are taking our mean value and adding an error on this side, and taking our mean value and subtracting an error on this side. And so if the range of that error is 22, then we must be adding an error of 11 on this side and subtracting an error of 11 on this side in order to make that happen. And so the margin of error here is 11. Now, for the second part of the question, where it says the sample mean is 60.5, and they want you to obtain the confidence interval. So if our sample mean is 65, which is our X bar for part B, then your confidence interval is going to look like this, right? It's going to be 60.5 plus 11, and over here 60.5 minus 11, and so you're going to work those two out, and that will give you your confidence interval. Your confidence interval for part B. Now I will send you separate videos for the other questions that you sent me. I just wanted to get you started in the time that I had to do this morning, okay?